Hi, this is Mimi Das. I take the opportunity to thank everyone, the entire team of Asian Education Awards 2020 for nominating me and selecting me as one of their awardees. I'm really very thankful to the esteemed jury panel for selecting my candidature as their awardee. Further, I congratulate all my co awardees on receiving this prestigious award. As a teacher, my journey is not much long. For the last 10 years, my journey was not that smooth because I did not start teaching in any organization or institution. I taught the children of slums with mostly the addicted ones. The children in West Bengal, near the slum areas of these stations, were into addiction every evening. This incident moved my heart, and after my delivery, after I conceived, I started teaching these children at the apartment premises. Later, I never knew that within these 10 years, my children will round about more than 300 and we will shift them to various orphanages. Presently, I try to take care of Ashiana Home and Angel Home Children's, which are all total 300, their education and mostly their food. Because what I believe that the basic need is proper education and proper nutritious food for the children of today who are our tomorrow's youth and will be the pillar to our society. As a teacher, I felt that these children didn't have the proper pro forma of being taught. I didn't have much tools in my hand because it was not an organization, it was completely done by myself. So I had to face little hurdles, mostly financial hurdles, when I had to buy various props for teaching them to make learning a fun and a very interesting subject for them. Because most of these children belonged to that part of the society where life was not very easy, their surroundings were not very comfortable. So, at first, bringing the interest of education for them was really a very tough job. But slowly, my interaction with them, being friendly with them, had started their interest level grown high. And I felt that these children were now getting interest to come for the classes to me. In spite of all my, deliberate hard work, I felt that something was missing. So slowly I started talking to the local schools where we could put them for education because we had the interest of putting these children to school because I felt that these children, some of them were really very intelligent and they would soar high. So I started talking with all these schools nearby, the government schools, who agreed to take them for their schools. And then they started receiving some meals from the schools. So I really got some help from these government school and the government. And then I started giving them tuitions personally, improving their English skill, their manners, and the basic things which nowadays children are taught in good schools. My journey is a very interesting one to me, although I feel that I can do more. And this award, which I am receiving today, is really a very great initiative by Asian Education Awards because, in spite of not teaching in any particular educational institute, they have considered my candidature as a person who has been doing something or trying to do something for the community or community education. I really don't have any words to express. I'm awestruck after hearing the news that I have been nominated for Asian Education Award, and I really pray to God that every children all over the world at least should get proper education because education is the only keynote to success. Without education, our children will never understand what is good for them and what is bad for them. And today's children are our future pillars, and that's why education is very important. And along with education, they also need good nutritious food so that they can move their life properly, smoothly, and they remain aloof from all kind of diseases which are caused through malnutrition. I'm really thankful to my parents, my family, my friends who have been supporting me all through this journey. And I will definitely ensure that on receiving this award, I will try to do something more and much better for the society, because awards and accolades to me are my pavement for more responsibility. Thank you so much. Wish everybody a very happy journey ahead, and we hope that the pandemic situation which we all are going through shall pass very soon. May Lord bless all of us. Thank you.